Hello student, in this video we will view our database file. So to view the database file we required one more tool. That tool name is the DB browser for SQLite. So that tool is helpful to view our database as well as the table. So that tool can be downloaded from the internet. So if you search DB browser from SQLite, so that will give the first link and you will download that tool from internet and install in your system. And when in the Android Studio we have required a tool, that tool name is the Android Device Monitor. Android Device Monitor is a shortcut icon is also visible here. So that is the shortcut icon for the Android Device Monitor. If that is not visible here, in some Android Studio that can be in the tools, or you can simply click on the shortcut of the Android Device Monitor. So when we are clicking on that shortcut, or that option is also visible in the tools, so the name is the Android Device Monitor. So when we are open the Android Device Monitor, so there is no file will be visible here. So when we execute our application in emulator, so that will be show different file in your system. So that is the different file. So we have to find out our application. So the application name is the application name is the com.example.kuk my application. So that before that we have to go into the data. So in the data again we have to go in the data. In data we have to find out our application. So that application name is the and com.example.kuk. So com.example.kuk.my application. So when I am clicking on that app folder, I have to search for file, and that is the database file, my friends and my friends journal. So basically that is the main database file. So that is the option which I have given to pull a file from emulator, and that is the option we want to transfer a file to the emulator. So to download the database file from emulator to our system, we have to click on that shortcut icon. So after clicking that option, he will ask where we want to store our file. So we will store our file. So we will store our file. So I'm just clicking on desktop, and that is the my friends. So it will be saved in at desktop. So after pulling the database file in your system, you will open the its operation is performing. So the database file will be stored in my system. After storing the database file in the system, you will open the tool data browser for SQLite. So I think you have installed it in your system. So I just click open the database. So open database will open a icon where is your database. So that is my basically database file. So I just go on the desktop. So I'm just selecting all file. So I'm selecting here all files, and my database name is the my friends. So I'm just searching for that file. So after opening that database file, that is the table which will be visible here. That is the table name. If that is the three table automatic the system is created, that is the file which we are using in our application. So to get the data, I am simply click on second option, browse data, and from here, from the table name, I am changing into the table name. So the value will be which are in the table name is simply display here. So that is the example how we will see our database file in our system. So actually that file is in the emulator. First of all, we have to transfer that file from emulator to our system using the Android device monitor. So in the Android device monitor, all the files related which are stored in your emulator will be visible here. So you have to go on the file explorer, select the option data/data, and in that folder there is a different application which we are built. So we have to find out that my application name is the my application. So com.example.kuk.my application, that is the basically domain name. So in that domain name you have to search the files option, and we have simply select our database. So that is the name of my database, and simply pull that file in your system. Simply click on that icon and the file will be stored in your system. After that, you are use the DB browse for SQLite. Click on the open database, open the database. So that file will be visible here. So when I am simply click on the browse data, select that table, so the value is simply inserted in that file is simply visible here. So that is the practical part how we have simply view our database in our system. So that database is in simply your emulator or in your phone. So that is the example. So I think that is clear to you. Thanks.